Hi class, welcome to week 4. This week you're going to begin to see that our weeks will all look very similar. We're going to have the same work and the same due dates every week, aside for some additional testing or some additional activities that we might be doing. And so you can see here we have terminology videos set up for you, as well as we have a musculoskeletal review. Some of you maybe haven't taken A&P yet, and so this might also help you and facilitate your knowledge. Connect activities and all that are really going to be the same. What I want to focus you in on is the team wiki, because this is the one change. And so this week you are completing a case study with your team. And your team may also have a few additional members, as I had to reorganize a few teams, so make sure you're super welcoming to everyone. In order to complete this case study, you are going to fill in the answers into a wiki. So if you've never done a wiki before, I suggest you watch my tutorial on how to edit wiki pages. That is how you'll complete the study. In addition, I've given you a hard copy in case you want to print this off and work on the side. So let me take you into the wiki. You're going to select your team. Now, I'm not enrolled in a team, which is why this is what I see. You are going to see the team you're enrolled in. Let's pretend we're all in team 2. Let's go to that group wiki that I've instructed you, and you can see here that you have an entire wiki. Now, it's pretty lengthy, so this is why you're doing it together as a team. The beautiful thing about a wiki is that I can determine what every single student does at all times. And so this is not a group grade. This is an individual grade, and I'll be grading you on A, the correctness of your participation, and the thoroughness of your participation. And so you want to make sure that you equally contribute to this case study as the rest of your team does. If you choose to wait until Sunday night to complete your work, you may find the whole case study done, and then you will have been pushed out of receiving any points. And so be cognizant about that as well. You can decide as a team how you want to divide up the work. So that is between you guys. You have the ability to email each other and talk through Blackboard. And so I would encourage you to do that, or you can just begin filling in the work as you go. So what you're going to do is there are questions to answer, and then there's blanks to fill in. And so in order to do any of that, you're going to edit the wiki. And that is why you need to watch the tutorial if you're not sure how to do that. This wiki will also help you reflect back a little bit on some past work and move forward on this work as well. So we will do these types of case studies that kind of encompass. They'll focus mainly on one chapter, but they'll encompass a few different chapters, which will help make sure that as you're moving through the chapters, you're retaining the information that you're learning, because you'll see it reflected back again and again, and then you'll have exams and, of course, an accumulative final. And so that is a lot of the purpose of this. In addition, many of you are going into the field, and even though I really like the way Connect is set up, this gives you more of an opportunity to read maybe how you would read medical reports in practice. And so I think that you'll enjoy this activity. And so please let me know if you have questions, and make sure that you've watched the tutorial on the wikis before you ask me questions on wikis. And have a wonderful week.